Hey guys, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Today I'm going to be going in pink for a cause, and I'm participating in a collaboration for National Breast Cancer Awareness Month that's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Penny's Lifestyle Living, and the links will be below for you to please pay their channels a visit. And I want to thank my gracious host for helping promote awareness for this important cause. So guys, National Breast Cancer Awareness Month was founded in October 1985 in partnership with the American Cancer Society. Now the color pink and the pink ribbon is the international symbol of breast cancer. 1 in 8 women in the U.S. will develop breast cancer in their lifetime, and 500,000 new cases of invasive breast cancer will be diagnosed this year in women in the U.S., which is outstanding. It is just terrible. And 51,400 new cases of non-invasive breast cancer will actually be diagnosed also, guys. So it's the most common cancer in America for women besides skin cancer. So it's very scary with the statistics. So guys, it's so important that you do your breast examinations because early detection is extremely important. It increases your survival rates, and doing it monthly, like a monthly self-breast exam, is so important. And also scheduling a regular clinical breast exam if you're not sure of how to do it or you don't feel confident. Also, mammograms. It's so important to take the time to go ahead and make an appointment, even if you're apprehensive, because it can save your life, and get a mammogram. Now, I do realize that some people, this is not covered under their health insurance, or they don't have health insurance, or they do, but this preventive care is not a part of it. So if you can't afford it, or maybe it's not covered, or you don't have health insurance that would cover this mammogram, unfortunately that still goes on. There are so many charities, guys, that are available to do it for you for free. I can leave a link to different charities that you can look into for getting this, so that way it is available to you. So I just want to make you guys aware of the statistics. I hope this helps someone out. This is so near and dear to me. And please check out the host links in the description box below. Thank you guys for hosting such an incredibly important cause. Guys, don't forget to get your mammograms and your exams. And I thank you all for watching this video to the end.